What's going on, guys? It's Garret Fields with Nelson Financial Planning here. So today I wanted to talk about the number one thing that the markets are currently most scared of. I'm of course talking about inflation. But what is inflation? Investopedia describes inflation as the rise in prices which can be translated to the decline in purchasing power, especially over time. But decline in purchasing power, what does it even mean? Well, have you ever talked to your parents or grandparents about how a gallon of gas used to cost a nickel, or a movie ticket was 25 cents? Well, now a gallon of gas is $5, and a movie ticket's astronomically more expensive. That's inflation. A nickel used to have the power to buy you 1 gallon of gas, but now you need 100 nickels to buy the same gallon of gas in today's money. This is why inflation's so scary, and if you don't keep up with it, it can eat away at the underlying value of your money. But if you have any questions about inflation, or you're interested in what the best historical hedge against inflation is, give our office a call at 407-629-6477. I'd be happy to chat with you. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and invest consistently.